We just had like the craziest rainstorm ever. I'm gonna go check it out. We're gonna see what happened. I'm sure there are trees down absolutely everywhere. A lot of flooding too. Oh, there's so much water. Look at how moist the ground is. I mean, this is just like... I'm getting stuck just on the path to the trail to get stuck. Oh hey, would you look at that? Huh? Look at this, Joe. There's just trees down absolutely everywhere. I don't really want to go under this, but like, big tree down now. Telephone poles still have lines, I guess. Oh wow, that is some erosion right there. Look at this chimney. Big tree. That tree is absolutely huge. Oh, there's an electric fence. This tree is huge. It's gonna be a long time before someone clears this. Don't mind me driving over an electric fence. Haven't actually, no, I can't get over the other side. Might be a way to get over it though. Somewhere through here. Oh, there it is. No way. Oh, that's a big ditch with a lot of trees in it. Can he do it? I could move this tree. I should have probably thought how I'm gonna get back, but that's okay. Another little tree here. A bunch of other little trees. Whoa! I could get over it, but I'm just not going to. Seems like a pretty fresh tree. This tree wasn't dead. Absolutely filled with water. I can get around that. Not so big tree. The ice, there's still some ice. How is there still some ice? Oh, what happened here? Oh, there's all ice under this, isn't there? Uh-oh.